Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Capital One for investing account funding easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Capital One for investing account funding, start by visiting the Capital One website. Look for the investing section on the homepage. Click on the link to open the investing account options. Choose the type of investing account you wish to open. Read the information provided on that page for an overview of the account features. Locate the Open Account or Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Next, provide your contact details, including your email address and phone number. Create a strong username and password for your online access. Make sure to select security questions for account recovery. Review your information to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, accept the terms and conditions outlined by Capital One. After accepting, click the Submit button to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation email verifying your account creation. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account. Once activated, log into your new account using your username and password. Navigate to the funding section of your account. Choose the preferred funding method, either linking a bank account or transferring from another account. Enter the required bank account details if you choose to link a new account. If transferring from another account, follow the prompts to initiate the transfer process. Confirm the amount you wish to fund your investing account with. Review all funding details before submitting your request. Receive notifications regarding the status of your funding. Once your funds are available, you can start investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.